one benchmark is, I use the industry averages. The other benchmark is time series. Time series. So what is time series? I want to know whether Walmart has been doing well over time. So over time. So all these are so I'm comparing Walmart's current performance to its past performance. So what was this number? In 2016, it was 6. What was this number in 2016? It was 6.5. So watch the performance. In 2016, Walmart was selling $6 for each square foot of store space, 6.5. It went down to 6, it went down to 5. So obviously you see the trend is not good. You see what I'm saying here? Okay. So you need to find out what's going on. Are they adding new stores? I know Walmart has been going abroad. Okay, it acquired a company in India. So maybe initially when you enter a country, you have to pump billions of dollars. And it takes time for your sales to show up, right? You don't open a new store and expect a miracle overnight. So what's going on? But the trend is not very good. Their sales are declining per square foot of space. So this is what we call time series. We compare our firm's current performance to its past performance. All right, any questions? Yes. What was number?
You said the first one was convert raw numbers into ratios.
Yes. Number 2, compare ratio values to some acceptable benchmarks or standards. Okay, so here, let's start our coverage of this chapter. Why construct ratios? Because raw numbers are deceptive. Raw numbers are not meaningful. So we take a raw number, divide that raw number by some other, meaningful number to be able to interpret the raw number in a better way. Okay, so that's why we construct ratios. Okay, and then once you have constructed ratios, you need to use benchmarks. And I told you 2 types of benchmarks. Now, this is called ratio analysis. It's one of the tools in our toolbox. Okay, there are many other tools that help us perform financial analysis. This is just one of the tools. It's called ratio analysis. Now, most people agree that there are 4 groups of ratios. So we divide all ratios into 4 categories, 4 groups. Why? Because each group helps us answer a specific question. So there are 4 groups, and each group will help us answer a specific question on our firm's performance. Okay? That's why we divide all these ratios into 4 groups, or lump them based on what question they answer. We'll lump them together. So let's talk about the first one, liquidity. Okay? So this is the question.